Hey, this is Anne Marie. Welcome to another episode of Meanwhile, Back at the Ranch. I have a drink that I want to share with you. It's what you're seeing on Facebook if you happen to have social media about the liquid mange. I've kind of tweaked it a little bit only because I found a bunch of different ones, wasn't really sure which one it was. Difference between my video and everybody else's is I'm going to tell you the recipe right away. I'm not going to make you wait for 60 minutes and then have a bunch of clickbait afterwards. So frustrating when that happens. So what you are going to use is the pink Himalayan salt. You're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon. You're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of the turmeric. Then I do a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic pepper. You always want to add a black pepper anytime you're making something with turmeric, just to get the full effects of the turmeric. And that will kind of help with that anti-inflammatory response that I was looking for. And then we're going to do a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I love the brag. I am not sponsored by anybody. These are just the things that I have at the ranch. And I always pre-make a bunch of them. That way they're super easy to make. You just grab one of those little cups, heat up 8 ounces of water, throw it in the water, mix it up really good, then add very slowly the apple cider vinegar. If you add it really fast, you're gonna have a volcano and a really kick-ass science project. I will now make sure I tell everybody. I did not tell a friend of mine, and it went all over her kitchen table and made a mess on the floor. I got a very angry phone call. It was more joking than anything, but it was pretty hilarious. I thought it was funny. So there's going to be a photo with the exact recipe, and I hope you enjoy this. The great thing about doing this is I have lost weight. I've lost over 20 pounds. I had hit like 212, and I was kind of like, I gotta do something. So I tried to start cutting back, watching what I was eating, which I did, and only lost like 2 pounds the first 2 weeks. Then I added this to it, and I lost 7 pounds the week I added this and was drinking this. I drink it every day on an empty stomach. I usually, when I first wake up in the morning. Then I was also having a lot of like knee pain and I've started getting back pain. I'm 59, I'm a firefighter, paramedic. Luckily never had much pain before. And so that was kind of starting to really bother me. And I knew adding the turmeric and adding garlic both work as really good anti-inflammatories. I did find out that you have to add the black pepper. Once again, it makes that turmeric really kind of pop, and it helps to utilize all those benefits, which was huge to me. And now I seldom ever have knee pain. I have not had back pain since the second week of doing this. So again, the first week I lost 7 pounds that I drank this along with kind of watching what I was eating. Then I went on vacation, and I kind of messed up a little bit. I was gone for 2 weeks, and didn't really gain any of the weight back. I had enough for like the first couple days, so I drank this the first few days I was on there. I didn't gain any weight, and I was not eating the best on vacation. We were going out to eat a lot, had kind of some junk food, and probably way too many Vietnamese coffees. If you've never had them, they're delightful. And when I got back home, I started this up again. And I lost 6 pounds the first week that I started it up again, 7 pounds the second week. I've now lost over 20 pounds, and starting off at 212, I'm pretty proud of that. So I keep trying to add this in. Again, I make up a bunch of the little cups because I am lazy, and if I have to mix it up every single day, I'm not gonna do it. Now I could just take one of those little cups, pour it in 8 ounces of boiling water, mix it up really good, and then add that apple cider vinegar to it. And I just drink it, and it's pretty good to go, and my day is done. I would love to hear if you have any of the same effects that I have had. I had a couple friends try it. 2 of them have had some really good effects with it. One of them is pretty identical to me. She's lost some weight, not as much as I have, but I was a lot bigger than she was. But she's not having the back pain, and she's not having the sciatic pain that she was having as much as what she was having, I should say. She still has it periodically, but it's not constant like what she was feeling. So she's sticking with it. I did have one friend that tried it, said she didn't really notice anything. So if you do try it, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And again, hit that like button if you happen to enjoy my videos. Subscribe. I would love to have you, and I wish you all the best. Happy trails and have an amazing day.